Today we're making an incredible chessboard sponge cake. Crack 6 eggs into a bowl. Then pour over 500 grams of plain cake mix and whisk well. Add 100 milliliters of milk and whisk that in. Pour in 60 milliliters of oil and combine that with the rest of your ingredients. When mixed, set your mixture aside. Now mix 20 grams of cocoa powder and 60 milliliters of hot water, stirring to make a chocolate sauce. Pour half your cake mixture into a bowl. Then add your chocolate sauce, stirring together to create a chocolate-flavoured cake mix. Pour this mix into a cake tin. Then pour your other mix into an identical tin. And bake both together for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Meanwhile, heat 200 milliliters of heavy cream. Add 10 grams of loose-leaf Earl Grey tea. Stir really well and continue to heat through. Melt 200 grams of dark chocolate and pour in your tea-flavoured cream through a sieve. This will remove the tea leaves and any lumps, but keep the flavour. Use a spoon to push it through. Then, whisk the contents of the bowl to create a thick chocolate mix. Pour 200 milliliters of whipping cream into a bowl and add 10 grams of icing sugar. Whisk them together. Lay out the two halves of your cake and trim them, first with a large circular mould to remove the crusts. Then with a smaller one to create a ring shape, and then an even smaller one. There we go. Remove the crusts from your cakes, then remove the sections of your cake like this, and swap the colours around to create this bullseye-like shape. Plate up one of these cake sections and pour over some chocolate ganache. Smooth it out with a knife. Then add the other layer on top and spread ganache over that. Repeat a few times, alternating your layers, and top with whipped cream. Smooth off your cake, and then you can smooth the sides down with whipped cream as well. Pour more chocolate ganache over the top of the cake, enough to cover the flat surface, and then slightly dribble down the sides. You might need to help it with a flat knife, like this. Then pipe some whipped cream around the top and plant some macaroons into the gaps to create a really fun design. Super classy. This is a really great looking cake. And when you cut it open, it's a really cool surprise.